Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're diving into the unexpected little things that turn him on without you even realizing it. And no, I'm not talking about obvious stuff like your looks or how you dress. I'm talking about those small, unconscious habits, the little quirks that stick in his head and make his heart beat faster. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal a bonus one that hits deeper than all the others, and if you've ever done it, you'll understand exactly why it works. 1. The way you tuck your hair behind your ear. Have you ever done this without thinking? Just moving your hair out of your face. But to him, it feels personal. It draws attention to your face, your smile, your eyes, your softness. And that tiny, innocent movement makes him pause and think, wow, she's beautiful. Do you catch yourself doing this often? If so, trust me, he's noticed. 2. Laughing at his jokes, even the dumb ones. Guys notice your laugh way more than you think. It's not just about finding him funny, it's about how your laugh makes him feel. When you laugh freely, especially at his goofy, not-so-perfect jokes, he feels validated. It's like you're saying, I enjoy you for who you are. And here's the kicker. Confidence is one of the biggest turn-ons for men, and nothing boosts it faster than your genuine laughter. 3. The accidental touch. Picture this. You brush against his arm reaching for something, or lightly graze his hand while walking together. To you, it might mean nothing. To him, it's fireworks. It's that spark of electricity he replays later when he's lying in bed thinking about you. Tell me in the comments, have you ever accidentally touched a guy and noticed his whole mood change? 4. Wearing his hoodie or shirt. You might see it as comfort, but to him, it's intimacy. When you wear his hoodie, it's like saying, I feel safe with you. I belong here. And guys melt at that. It gives him a sense of pride, closeness, and a kind of hidden claim that makes him fall even harder. If you've ever stolen his hoodie and he let you keep it, yeah, that's his way of saying he loves it too. 5. Biting or playing with your lip. This one's sneaky because most of the time, you don't even realize you're doing it. Maybe you're thinking, maybe you're nervous, but to him, it looks flirty. It draws his eyes in and makes him wonder if you're doing it on purpose. Here's the fun part. Even if you're not, he'll probably overthink it anyway. 6. The look then look away game. That moment when you lock eyes, hold it for just a second, then glance away like you weren't supposed to. It drives him crazy. It plants the thought, was she just checking me out? That mystery makes him want to chase. And honestly, half the magic is in the tension you leave behind. 7. Teasing him lightly. A little playful sarcasm, poking fun at him in a sweet way, or giving him that you're ridiculous but I like it smile. It creates a tension that's fun, flirty, and magnetic. Men love that push-pull energy because it keeps things exciting. Just don't overdo it. The magic is in keeping it light and fun, not harsh. Bonus, supporting him when he's stressed. This one goes deeper. When he's overwhelmed and you show up, not with judgment, not with solutions, but with calm support, it changes how he sees you. In that moment, you're not just the girl who turns him on, you're the girl he can lean on. And trust me, that's when attraction transforms into connection. So, beautiful people, those are 7 unexpected little things that turn him on without you even realizing it. Which of these do you think you do the most? Or better yet, which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your stories. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.